Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Tosin T. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit the subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, I love you. Thank you for clicking on this video and watching this video. So today's video is basically just going to be a simple dimple eyebrow routine. Okay, I'm just going to show you guys how I do my brows. My brows, to be honest, I have my brows done right now, so it's a really easy process. When I don't have my brows done, it's low-key a little bit more complicated than this video, but I want it to be the most simplest thing I could give y'all. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we get into this video, we're gonna talk about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by Luisa Jewelry Company. They sent me a whole bunch of cute jewelry. Well, not a whole bunch. They sent me like 3 things. They sent me 2 earrings and 1 necklace. I have one of the necklaces. Ooh, there's a piece of hair. Excuse me, I'm trying to steal the show. I'm not gonna lie, I have been wearing this necklace every day. I cannot lie to you. Someone should go check my Instagram right now and go and look at like maybe my last 2 pictures. I have been wearing this necklace. Like, I just really like it. I feel like it's really simple, but it adds like a little medal to your outfit. And that's what I'm really simple when it comes to jewelry. I don't do too much, and this is perfect for me. I also have the earrings on. They sent me these like I forgot what it's called. I think it's like knot earrings. It's low-key like a knot. It's a knot. It's a gold knot basically, but I'm gonna put a picture of how that looks right here so you guys can see. This item they sent me that I don't have on right now are these. Ooh, can y'all see that? Are these snake earrings? I'll put a picture right here because I feel like this is not doing it justice, but these earrings are really cute. They're like a little snake. It's giving a vibe. Yes or no? Be honest, it is. As you guys know, Valentine's Day is coming up, and I know you want a gift. Who doesn't want a gift? So I need you to go click the link in the description box. That's going to take you straight to the website. You can fill up your cart, send it to your man, be like, this is what I want, this is what you need to get me. The good thing about Ana Luisa is it's long-lasting jewelry, they're luxury crafted pieces, and it's carbon neutral. All of this is going to benefit you in the end because you want jewelry that's going to last you long and be sustainable. So make sure you shop Ana Luisa in the description box. So guys, we're finally gonna get into our eyebrows. I hope you guys are paying attention, because if you don't pay attention, there's no point. So you gotta pay attention. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I like to use on my eyebrows. Everybody's eyebrow routine is gonna be different because some people like to use eyebrow pomade, some people like to use a pencil, some people like to use a crayon. Like, it really varies. So you have to find out what you like and what type of look you're going for, because all those different products give you a different look. The look that I go for is natural, but not too harsh, but seen. Like, I want my eyebrows to be seen. Your eyebrows are the most important part of the makeup. So if your eyebrows don't look good, then can we really say your face is beat? You kind of need 4 main products for your eyebrows. The first product is whatever you're using to fill in, whether it be crayon, pencil, pomade. You need the main thing. This is what we need. Next thing you're gonna need is concealer. Concealer is gonna conceal and fix what you messed up and make everything look clean and camera ready. And then you're going to need what you're gonna use to kind of shape the concealer. Concealer, this is the color of it, but I can't use this to carve my eyebrows because it's not precise enough. So you're gonna have to get something that's gonna make it more precise. So that's this. And then the last thing you're gonna need, and probably the most important, is a blending brush. You're gonna need something that's going to be able to blend out that concealer, because you don't want your eyebrows to look like you concealed them. Like, you gotta make it look natural even if you did it. And so blending it out is important. I don't wanna see your makeup and see that, cool, I see that you concealed it. I want to see that you concealed it, but I want to see that you tried to blend it as well. Yeah, cool. The eyebrow pencil I'm going to be using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Ebony. I like this color. It's dark, but it's not too dark, but it matches my own eyebrow. So if your eyebrow is light brown, then get a light brown color. If your eyebrow is dark, get a dark color. The color of whatever you're using, make it be the color of your eyebrows so that it can match the vibe of your face already. Yeah, cool. But this eyebrow routine might be a little bit different from the other eyebrow routines that you may see on YouTube, because a lot of people do their eyebrows first. Only a couple of people that I watch do eyebrows in the between. And so I do my eyebrows in between. Right now I have my face done. My face is not completely done, but I'm in the middle to where this is the point that I do my eyebrows. If you want to get what I'm trying to say, you can just watch my full detailed makeup tutorial and you'll kind of understand why I do my eyebrows in the middle. I'm gonna use this as my mirror. I like using a mirror close up to me because I have a mirror right here, but that's too far. Okay, I need to be able to see the eyebrow because I like my eyebrows perfect, and I can't make them perfect if it's not close. I need it close, okay? I hope I can get it through to y'all. That's just all I hope. I hope y'all can be able to understand. But the main thing is with the eyebrow thing, yeah, you gotta just watch. I can't even get into it too much. You gotta just watch and it'll come to you. The first thing you always want to do is you want to take that spoolie, that side that has the spoolie on it, and you want to brush your eyebrows. And this is just kind of gonna get you ready and making sure that all your hairs are where they need to be, because you don't want your hair all over the place before you start. Now, me, I get my eyebrows threaded because my eyebrows are silly. Like, they're silly, they grow horribly. So I need them done all the time, or to be honest, when I do my eyebrows, it won't really look that well. And so because they're done right now, it's gonna be fairly easy for me. But I would say to keep your eyebrows done, whether you're doing it yourself or someone else is doing it, because that's gonna make the process of doing them when you're doing your makeup easier. And I'm gonna start by filling the front of my eyebrows. I like to just kind of add some hairs in the front because I feel like I want my eyebrows to be a little longer. So it's kind of just what shape you're going for or how you want it to look. Is just honestly what you do. You just gotta be an artist. The final product is what you gotta imagine, just do it. And so at the bottom, I kind of just, I line, but I'm light-handed, and I kind of just fill in. I'm also like gonna fill in the eyebrow a little bit, not too harsh because it can get dark quick. And then right here, I've reached that point of where my arch starts. See, my arch goes here, boom. So once I come there, I start going downwards, and I kind of just bring the eyebrow down. And the most important thing to always remember is that you're gonna be able to conceal it. And so boom, after we've done that, we've done the bottom, I like to go to the top. When my eyebrows are fully grown out, they're way thicker than this. And so I can't follow the exact line that the eyebrow lady did because my eyebrows are gonna be too thin. I kind of have to add a little bit extra. So I kind of go above it and I add a little bit more, and I kind of just go up, and this is where that arch starts. I round it out. Some people like their arch sharp. I like it round. I hope that makes sense to you guys. And then I'm gonna just fill in more. And this is kind of where we're at now with this eyebrow. So boom. This eyebrow is filled in, this eyebrow is not. I hope you guys can see the difference. Yeah, it's kind of just, we haven't concealed it, so it's not its best yet, but it's good. So now we're gonna fill in this other side. I'm gonna just show you guys, instead of telling you guys, I just showed you guys this one, and then we're gonna get into concealer. Now I filled both eyebrows in. Now it's time to conceal. This is like the most important part, because if you fail this part, then almost the eyebrows no good day. So the filling in is not too important because you can conceal it. That's the most important part. What I like to do is I take my concealer and I just put it on the back of my hand. And this, I just do this because, like I said, I'm using that precise brush, and so I don't want to have to dip the brush in there. I'd rather just tap it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna dip it into the concealer. Main thing is you kind of gotta know the look you're already going for. So because I feel like I've already made that foundation with filling it in, I kind of just gotta follow it. So I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna just put concealer there and straighten that out. Where my arch starts is where I kind of go a little bit more slow. And then now that we've concealed this, I'm gonna go ahead and drag everything down. So this is like another important part. Before I even take that blending brush, I drag everything down. So I'm gonna take some more of that concealer and I'm gonna basically do the other side. Y'all can pretty much just go ahead and watch me because y'all know what to do. So we've concealed the bottom. I'm gonna take that blending brush and I'm pretty much just gonna blend all of that out so that it can be seamless and it doesn't look super duper harsh or anything like that. For the top of my brows, I like to use foundation. I don't use concealer. So we're gonna get the same foundation that I'm using on my face. Foundation that I'm gonna use today is gonna be my NARS Radiant. I don't think the foundation really matters, just like the actual brand. It's just get the foundation that's your color. But I'm gonna take some of that and I'm gonna take that same precise brush and I kind of just tidy up what needs to be tidied because I don't like the halo brow effect. So I don't want it to look like I try to conceal the top of my brows. I hope that makes sense. And I'm gonna just kind of first go off of making the tail more precise. So I want that to be more sharp. So I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten that out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of slowly straighten this out. Then now that we've got that, I'm gonna take the blending brush and I'm gonna just try to blend all of that. And I feel like I need the tail low-key a little bit thin, so I'm gonna fill in just a little bit more. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I'm gonna just come here and then come here and then go around. Make this more straight. And then boom. And I'm gonna fill the end and make, because I always mess up on the end because it's just, it has to be the straightest and it's kind of hard to make it straight. So I'm gonna just fill that in a little bit more. And then, see, now I low-key just made it too thick. So I'm going back and forth at this point, but this is how you get your eyebrows to be perfect. It's not every time you do it that it comes out perfect the first time. You kind of gotta fix it. So that's good enough. And so now I'm gonna just take the blending brush and I'm going to blend all that out. And boom, we're done with the eyebrows. Okay guys, so I'm finished with my whole face. The last step of my eyebrow routine that I low-key forgot to tell you in the beginning is the eyebrow gel. Now the eyebrow gel I like to use the Maybelline Brow Drama in the color Deep Brown. I am not really an eyebrow gel fanatic. I feel like as long as you have anything to just set them things, set them. Just take this and I'm going to put that on my brows. It's just gonna set them in place so that the hairs don't move, because you know your hairs tend to move during the day. And that's it. Easy, squeezy, lemon peasy, or whatever they say. Easy eyebrow routine, super simple. I hope you guys really liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be coming out with tons of content. Comment down below and let me know what you guys wanna see. I feel like a lot of you guys compliment me and watch the videos, but y'all don't tell me what y'all want to see, and I want to know what y'all want to see, so let me know, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video.